na uskop kanyang rendia syakiriam banela hang ne ngi penmi ki jan rendia paka kumjo kumbalong mangi kidon sibun kiriu sengkam lajong kum kiriu thma ki bakran ki bamat yak jing hakawai pakawai ka sinjam jongki da ka jing persang yaki but kisap ki yai minot bat ki la sandur yaladi da ka jing treshitong idon ki khana jing job ha wei pa wei ki ba ai men sim yaki wei pat syaklawai ba pernai menta kala dei kapor ka jingkela longgi malapun kre nak benta ka Northeast Entrepreneurship Machinery Innovation and Exhibition Event kabala walam sepi daka Prime Startup Hub Meghalaya harengkat ka jing snok tilang jongka State Council of Science Technology and Environment Meghalaya pen kre eladi nak benta kini ki lais ni ka jing pen ki kor ki bor ki snap jing start bat bor pakat mai na saudong kari India ki ban ai jing mentoi nak benta ki samla singkam lejong jongka jelam Meghalaya bat not isi berok kawai kindon ki jing pen irong hakbayade bat ka food processing packaging solution sericulture and handloom weaving bamboo technology handicraft furniture renewable energy traditional and rural healthcare medicinal and aromatic plants waste management water related technology tourism biotechnology construction and fabrication technology bodak hagi almanak jongki naduk ka arpo turik haduk ka arpo aturik unai lur mentau snem Hamadan SRGT Polo